Alright, so we got a customer states 5.4 Triton on a 2006 Ford F-150. Let's see if I can get a good picture of this. XLT 5.4 Triton. And let's see, back it off. This is a 2006. I don't know if the sticker is going to show it. The sticker's pretty jacked up. Let's see. But anyhow, there you go. Don't see it there, but anyhow, it is a 5.4 2006. Customer said that he was having problems with cam sensor codes, random misfire. When I checked the codes, there was actually no active codes, but there was a lot of historical for random misfire. And then, yes, there was the cam sensor codes and damn bug. And so I explained to him, I could already tell what was wrong. As soon as he fired it up, I could hear it. So I was hoping that I was going to find these chains really loose, but as you can see, this one here is actually nice and tight. And I went to this one, and what the holy shnikes. I mean, look at that. Yeah, that is why he is having the problems. So I was 100% correct in my diagnostics based on sound, experience, and just experience, really. I mean, holy crap. The chains could actually touch each other. They're actually touching each other right there. Jesus. Chains can actually touch. So, yeah. This one also has the absolute most ungodliest smell coming from the coolant. I have no idea what in the world is in that coolant, but it is the worst smelling coolant I have ever smelt in my entire career of working on cars. This beats the worst rear end you could possibly think of. This just, I don't even want to tell you what it smells like. I really don't. Be a disrespect to women if I had to explain to what that smells like. But anyhow, so yeah, just know that on these 5.4 Tritons, if you're having issues with the cam sensors, you need to check the chains, which you can do usually by sticking a camera down inside these things, and you can take a look and see that chain's loose. If the chain's loose, then don't even bother with the rest of it. Problem solved just by doing a timing chain job on this thing, and it'll save the motor quite some time. But yeah, you got to pull these valve covers, and then the oil pan's got to come down because there's bolts at the bottom. You got to get the oil pump out, which you need to get the oil pan down in order to get the oil pump out. All that kind of good stuff. And being four-wheel drive, this one's going to be a fun job. But so anyhow, yeah, just keep an eye on them chains.